I'm Savio Madeira, 56 years of age, basically from Goa, and right now I am acting as a head of coach education in All India Football Federation and as an interim technical director just taken over. If we see the history of Goa, they say it started in 1883, it started by an English priest, and add to that it has got a lot of Portuguese influence which made the game popular in Goa, and slowly it went on in the families, and that is how it influenced each and every member, each and every family. And I would say the Portuguese influence had a lot to do to introduce this game to Goa. Football does help you to make better decisions in the game, and football teaches you, for me at least, what has helped, of how social you have to be, because in a game we have our weaknesses and our strengths, and together we make it one team and the team spirit gets better. So it makes you disciplined, it makes your life and puts your life more into structure, and it makes you a better human. That is what I would say through the game of football. I would say that we have to start from scratch back again, because even after the pandemic is over, we cannot just rush to do things what we had done 18 months back, which can be detrimental to the players, to the coaches, to the game. So we have to start back slowly. For sure, grassroots football, if you want to start, we can start it from the schools. Then we try to go with the academies and the clubs whichever are there, and then try to go on slowly to see how best we can get it along. I think the girls football is equally important, like what we are looking for boys football also. And at All India Football Federation, we are slowly starting. We have started the Golden Baby Leagues. At places we have allowed them to mix gender, include girls at a younger age. But very soon we will start with only for girls. I am also looking out for women coach educators, which they have to come in and try to help more coaches to come on board, because what happens whenever we conduct courses, women coaches do come, but in a man environment they are a little getting intimidated. So I would feel, and I am trying to prepare also women coach educators, so that we get coaches, we get players, but for me equally important to get girls football going also.